Looking at question 1, it's told you that we've got a biased dice and the probability of getting a 1 is 0.3, and it tells you that the dice is rolled 150 times, and it wants to know how many you would expect to roll. So we use this key formula here, and this is what we're going to use throughout today's lesson. So that tells you that the expectation is equal to the number of trials, or number of rolls in this case, times by the probability. So it would be 150 times 0.3, which is equal to 45. You would expect to roll 45 number 1s. Question 2 is very similar, except this time it's using a fraction as a probability. So again, it's number of rolls times by the probability, and that is equal to 400. Our next question, slightly more complicated, just got to make sure you don't mix up the probabilities. So here we've got 320 girls, and the left-handed is 0.2, so 320 times 0.2, which is 64. And then if we do the boys below, we've got 250 boys. The probability of them being selected being left-handed is 0.1. Multiply that together, we get 25. Therefore, the estimate for the total number of students would be 89. Our fourth question tells you that there are a total of 60 raffle tickets and that Bethany has a 20% chance of winning. So if we work out what 20% of 60 is, we would get how many tickets she has bought. This is equal to 12, which is our D answer. So in our fifth question, this time it's given you as a frequency table. You can see, looking at the first column, that we've rolled a number 1 12 times, a number 2 35 times, and so on. It wants us to work out the probability that a 3 will be rolled. Or to work out the probability, you just need to work out the number it's been rolled over the total number of rolls in that table. So we need to add all those frequencies up. They add up to 100. So therefore our probability is 11 over 100. Part B, it wants to know how many 6s you would expect to roll. Again, we're going back to that first formula. The probability of rolling a 6 is 12 over 100, and the number of trials is 500. So 500 times by our probability, and we get our final answer.